Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about Waje game. Is an app where you can play games, and after playing games, you can earn after you might have won any game that you play. So we are going to be reviewing the Waje game to see if it is really worth it and how much you can actually make playing games in Nigeria. So guys, before we proceed, if you are here for the first time, my name remains Consolo Nyekwere, and I also hope you find a suitable reason to subscribe to this channel after watching this video. And also, before we proceed, listen up. I am not a financial advisor. Therefore, I always advise you make your own research and do your own due diligence in order to make a decision on how to invest, when to invest, and also when not to invest, as I won't be liable to any profits you make or any losses you encounter as a result of coming in contact with my videos. So guys, with all this being said, let's proceed into the video. Immediately you download the Waje game and you open the app, there will be a pop-up on topping up. It's a game where you have to top up, and after topping up, the system will now merge you with somebody that you are going to play game. And if you win that game, you also win both your money and also that person's money. Now, if you open the app, you are going to see testimonies on top, just at the middle. You are going to see testimonies of people withdrawing on Waje game. You're going to see something like congratulations, player lock 7400 wins 14,000 cash in Baka words. So these are the kind of money you can make on Waje games. So our work here now is to check if really you can make money playing games on this app. Now let's just go ahead to click on top up to see how you can actually top up on this app. So immediately you click top up, they will ask you now how much do you want to top up. You can see the options here: 500, 1000, 2000, 3000, 10,000, and so on. And then they will also ask you to select a payment method. You can now select pay stack, you can select OPay, you can select Flutterwave, or you can also pay with your card. After selecting all these things, you just click on add chips. Immediately you click on add chips, they will now tell you to put in your card details or maybe your Flutterwave, depending what option you selected here, and then you make your payments. So guys, let's just head straight to what we came to do. This app has many varieties of games over here. They have namely words. Let's see it. We have words, crazy words, baka words, dice, red or green, baccarat, fish, roulette, lucky soccer, and the last one that is coming up soon is Ludo. So let's just play any of the games now and see how it really goes. Let me also on the sound so that you can hear the sound. You can hear the sound. So let's go for Baka words. So they are very interesting games, as you can see here. If you know how to play, you can also play it. For me, I don't really know how to play the game, but let me just try my best. But the game no easy. The game no easy. Okay, let's just leave the game. They are very interesting games here. They are very, very interesting games. Let me quit the game. Okay, we are back to the main menu here. Now, these games are very, very interesting. These games are very, very interesting, and you can play and you can also withdraw. You can also see from here, you are going to be seeing their withdraw button. So you can just click on withdraw and withdraw your money as soon as you have money on Waje game. So let me just be straight now. Let me tell you something about Waje games. Many people play Waje game because it's not as if they want to make money on Waje game. They play Waje game because they just feel bored, they just want to keep themselves busy, and then they want to just, keep ourselves busy and also playing these games. Let's check um from their Play Store. Let's go over to Play Store and see what people actually said about Waji game, because I've not I've not seen anybody say anything positive about Waji game, to be sincere. Everybody have been saying it's scam, it's scam, it's scam. And then let's just check from this other side. Sometimes if an app, maybe a make money app, claims to be legit, you just have to head over to Play Store and check what people actually said this about the app. Now, checking over from this place, you are going to see the first comment. The first comment says here, "You guys are just another means of scam. I have played all games in Waje for a long time and I understand how it works." Just take note of this comment here. When you enter the game, they give you free chips to play. They allow you win your first game or more in words. Then when your money reaches almost the amount of withdrawal and blah blah blah, when your money actually reaches the withdrawal, that's the withdrawal average, you won't be able to withdraw. That's number one problem about Waje game. I just want to make this video very fast. The second comment says, "The game is rubbish. Don't waste your time and money. You can't select players. You hardly win. All is to lose. Haba. Don't download the game. Oh. They said minimum withdrawal is 1K. It will take time to get that 1K because they are manipulating the game in their side." Now, this is also another problem about Waje game. That time that you haven't deposited, you can play the game. If you play the game, you are going to see, you are winning, oh, you are winning. But immediately you deposit into that app, then you will try playing the games. You are now going to see that you cannot win these games again. You cannot win these games again. And another thing I've also heard people say about Waje game is that, that this game, they actually said they peer people. For example, now I deposited 500 naira and I'm playing what? Another person may be in Abuja or in Lagos, let's assume, also deposited 500, and that person wants to play what? When they match the both of us, we are supposed to play this game and know who wins and who loses. Many people also say that these are not real human beings, they are robots, and they have already manipulated the game in the sense that you cannot win. Those robots are going to win, and at last they are going to run with your money. Now let's check the third comment. "This app is a big scam, my fans. I mistakenly sent some amount of money into the wallets of the game and chat with the customer care to refund my money, but they did not. Instead, they were giving unnecessary excuses and eat up my money. Oh God." Now this is another counterpunch against Waje game. This is another big counterpunch against Waje game. So guys, you just have to know that even if you are depositing into Waje game, it's also not safe, no matter how little, no matter how big. But nevertheless, if you also click on all the comments, you are going to see that most people also recommend and also uploaded Waje game. Why? They actually did this because they play this game just for fun. We just play it just for fun. Even as Before I started making this video, as I was playing the game, it was really interesting. Really interesting. You can use Waje game, you can just spend time on the app playing games and just feel happy. That's just the good thing about it. This person over here says, I love the way the game makes me concentrate. This other person says the game is so interesting, it cures my boredom. So that's just it. If you really want to make money playing games, I'll be sincere and open with you. I don't think Waje games can give you what you need. But if it is to just keep you company, to just play the game and feel happy, then Waje game is there for you. You can just be playing it. You can deposit money, just to quench your just to quench that boredom, something like that. You can just deposit money. Some people that have money, they can deposit into it, just to play it for happiness, not that they want to make money on it. If you really want to make money playing games, Waje games is not the best place for you. I must be sincere, it is not the best place for you. This app will not give you any money. They also say that their minimum withdrawal is 1,000. Many people also said, against Waji game, that before you can make up to that 1,000, it will be very hard. Very hard. And if you make up to that, you can't still withdraw. So, friends, I must be open and sincere. My last decision and also answer is that Waje game is nothing but a scam. Is nothing but a scam. Don't waste your time, don't waste your money on Waje game except you just want to play it for fun. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned by subscribing and stay blessed.